Okay, so this is the third example for pacing. Okay, Engineer Yam walked over a known length, which is line OP, of 100 meters in 3 trials: 145, 150, and 148.5 paces. He then walked another line, that is line LM, of a known length and recorded his steps as 110, 111, 109, 106, and 108.5 paces. And compute Engineer Yam's pace factor and distance of line LM in meters. Okay, so this problem illustrates that engineer line, okay, so there are two lines. One is line OP, okay, that is O and P, with a known, with a known length, which is 100 meters. And Engineer Yam walked in 3 trials: 145, 150, and 148.5. Okay. Later, he walked another line, and that is line XY. No, line LM, sorry. Okay. Line LM, and the distance is unknown. Okay. So when he walked along this line, he made 5 trials: 110, 111, 109, then 106, and 108.5 paces. Okay, so the pace factor, the required are pace factor and the distance of LM in meters. Okay, so if we examine this problem, the purpose of Engineer Yam to walk along line OP is to determine his pace factor. Okay, so if we recall, our laboratory exercise is that you need to walk over a known length so that you will determine your pace factor. Okay, so we will solve that one by one. Okay, so for letter A, okay, what is the pace factor of Engineer Yam? You have pace factor is equal to D over the number of paces. Okay, so D is given, which is equal to 100, and the number of paces, we will use this value, not this one, no? Because this is another line. Okay, so you have 145, 150, and 148.5. You have to get the average. Okay, so substituting to the value or to the formula, you have 100 meters over the average pace factor, 145, 150, 148.5 divided by 3, and average paces is 147.8 meters. Okay. Okay, so this is the average pace, the number of paces. So therefore, the pace factor of Engineer Yam is, we have 100 divided by 147, and the value is 0.68 meters per pace. And that is the answer for question A. Okay. So next is, what is the length of line AB? Line LM rather. Okay. So we have B. Okay. We have the formula. Pace factor is equal to D over the number of paces. Okay, so here we already have the pace factor of Yam because we were able to determine that using this value, no, because he walked along line OP. Okay, and the number of paces that he walked, no, along line LM is we have 101, 111, and 110, 111, 109, 106, and 108.5. Okay, and the distance LM is equal to, we have number of paces, okay, and pace factor. Okay, so the pace factor of Engineer Yam, no, it's always the same, diba? That is 0.68 meters, so it's around 0.68 meters per pace. Okay, so you have 110 plus 111 plus 109 plus 108.5, no, plus 106. There's another 100.6, okay, divided by 5, and the average number of paces is 108.9 times the pace factor of Engineer Yam, which is 0.68 meter per pace. Therefore, D, or the length of LM, is equal to 74, no, or that is around 74 meters. Okay, so this is the final answer for LM, or the length of line LM. Okay.